Hello and welcome back to another video, and here's my part 2 of the Pop Figures £200 credit. This is what I ordered with the rest of it. I ended up putting I think just a couple of pounds towards it, so it weren't too bad. And yeah, this is what I got. Now this one's got is all one themed, so let's open the box. And as always with pop figures, you know, it's really well packed, and they're in individual sorters, so really take the care with pop figures. We've got the pop figures sticker and the all important jelly beans. Got 3, 7 in there. It's always nice that they include those. So without any particular order, these are the pops I got with the rest of the voucher, and see if you notice a theme. First pop is Oscar Martinez from The Office. So all these characters from The Office, and really packed well in a pop protector. I can't remember the exact price of these, but they weren't too expensive. I think this one could have been around £12 for that, maybe 10. They're the other ones you can get. I've already got the Kevin Malone. I got that in a I think a pop in a box. So next one is got Erin Hannon. This was the cheaper one. I think this was about £9. Number 1174, and Oscar was 1173 from the same wave. It's really nice. She's got like a champagne bottle and a box in her hand. And again, these are all the other pops you can get in that collection. Next one is a Dwight Schrute. This is Dwight Schrute as Recyclops, and this is a Funko exclusive 2024 convention limited edition. This wasn't too expensive either. I think they had it on offer. It's really nice. And these are the other ones you can get from this wave. Always great condition, these pops. And now it's the final one. We've got a Michael Scott. This is Funko exclusive from Funko.com. This is 1176. 1041 was Dwight Schrute. And that's from this set now. I only need the Pam and the Dwight Schrute with pumpkin. So that was really cool. So it would be a nice pop. Yeah, really happy with these. Started collecting the Office pops. They'll look very nice in my collection. So thanks for watching the video. If not, consider subscribing. Leave a comment below. What kind of Office pops have you got? And I'll see you all in the next video.